Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. I am of course Tala and I am bringing you another voice play reaction today. I just did Creep, so I need a little bit of an upbeat thing. Which means that right now I'm checking out Hoist the Colors, featuring Jose Rosario Jr. I I'm not sure if I've seen him in anything yet. I might be mistaken, but I'm not. I don't think so. The name doesn't quite ring a bell yet, so I'm not sure. Maybe I did, maybe I didn't. Obviously, Hoist the Colors is from Pirates of the Caribbean, and I sense a lot of good piratey vibes coming out here. Quickly looking at the credits here, just to see, does it say anything about studio or stuff like that? It's filmed in Orange Studio in Orlando, Florida, so that could be anything. I'm not sure what Orange Studio is, but that's fine. This is one of Jeff's songs, so anything can happen. So, without any more talking for me before the song, let us check out Hoist the Colors with Voiceplay featuring Jose Rosario Jr.
The king and his men stole the queen from her bed and bound her in her bow.
Caesar, that was creepy. With that one-eyed stare just into the camera. It's like, and that ghostly voice. Wow. And Jose here doing, wow.
Stole the queen from her bed and bound her in her bones.
Okay.
By the powers where we'll run.
You're creepy, Caesar. Perfect. I have nothing else to say than yes. That part putting that down there in the basement with Jeff was absolutely perfect. Sorry.
Now some men have died and some are alive and others sail on the sea.
Wow, this is
The cage and the devil to pay. We lay to fiddler's green.
Watery grave.
Can't you hear it? Sepulchral tone. We are a call. Hey, to the
Wow. Yeah. I fixed the volume. Sorry about that. I hopefully remember to fix that in post as well to like not have that low volume to begin with. But damn, Eli, belting there. Yes, perfect. Going all the way up there. That was great. Was catch that part again? Just listen to that belt from Eli.
Hoist the colors high.
Pure, beautiful.
Thieves and beggars, never shall we die.
Ah, yes.
Ho, yo, ho,
The king and his men stole the queen from her bed and bound her in her
Oh, yes.
thieves and beggars, never shall we hoist the colors high.
Wow. Oh, wow. Oh, that was great. Wow, jeez. That everyone. Yes. And everyone got to shine and everyone like backed the others up and pushed they keep pushing the envelope. Wow. That was really, really great. And finally, I can listen to the song because it's been popping up on Spotify, and Spotify was, yeah, you listen to Voiceplay. You want to listen, and I just have to go. No, skip. But now I can listen to it. Yes. Thank you for suggesting this song for me, and I loved it. The usual stuff. Head over to Voiceplay, subscribe to them, and like their videos. Leave them all their comments and loves and everything, and it'll help me out a huge amount if you subscribe and words. Leave a comment and click the likies and the everything, and let me know if there's anything you want me to check out because I'm having a blast. So, yes, thank you so much for joining me, and I will see you next time. Okay, bye.